In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. Creating an email group is a huge time saver if you regularly send messages to the same set of people, like a project team, a department, or a club. Instead of typing each address one by one, you can create a single group, type its name, and Outlook will handle the rest. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can set this up quickly and use it confidently. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the Mail view, where you can see your inbox and your messages. At the top of the window, look for the Home tab on the ribbon. This is where you'll find most of the tools you use every day. On the Home tab, locate the section that deals with contacts or address books. Depending on your version of Outlook, you might see an option like New Contact Group or New Group. Click that to start creating your email group. Outlook will open a new window specifically for building this group. At the top of this window, you'll see a field for the group name. Type a clear, descriptive name here, something you'll recognize easily later, like Marketing Team or Family Group. A good name makes it much easier to find and use your group when you're composing emails. Now it's time to add members. Look for a button labeled Add Members. When you click it, you'll usually be given a few choices. You can add people from your Outlook contacts, from your organization's address list, or by typing email addresses manually. Choose the source that makes sense for you. If the people are already in your contacts, select that option. Then search for each person by name, select them, and add them to the group. If someone isn't in your contacts yet, you can add them by typing their email address directly. Take a moment to review the list of members. Make sure you've added everyone you need and that there are no duplicates or incorrect addresses. This helps prevent bounced emails later on. Once you're happy with the group name and the members, click Save and Close. Outlook will save your new email group in your contacts. To use your new group, start a new email. In the To field, begin typing the group name you just created. Outlook should suggest it automatically. Select it, and Outlook will send your message to everyone in that group at once.